With Watertight Roofing Systems. We're here at 6922 Mines Road in Warren, Ohio, the property of George Bakeris, and I am going to document the existing site conditions, as well as the decking and what we have underneath. So I'm just going to go ahead. Code requires that our felt goes 6 inches over the peak, 4 to 6 inches over the peak. So I have this marked at 6 inches. So we have 4 inches. So we have that marked, so it's essentially both sides of the ridge cap. So I'm going to take these cap out right here. And we're going to see what we have underneath. We have high profile ridge cap. So you can see even getting the cap separated from these shingles is very difficult. Bobby, go ahead and take a picture of this portion. Just what I'm doing now. Don't worry about anything else.
There's a good chopper for you, Joe.
What's that?
Keep you from sliding.
Here we go. Will you, here, let me see this. Got nails under here. You can see I'm having trouble getting this cap separated from the tar line. So these caps are very stuck to these shingles. gonna take 2 more off. As you can see, removing this cap, this is the bottom part of the cap. It was so stuck to this tar line that it was not gonna come separated. Got the nails out of this cap here. Okay, we'll go one more. I'm sorry, one more. Those nails aren't really fastening anything. You see how easy those came out. Okay, so we're gonna take some more nails out here. We'll go this last cap here because this is the end of the shingle. This is a full shingle right here. Bobby, I'm gonna have you take a picture of this. All right, I'm gonna try to take these nails out and get this shingle out of here. This is gonna be the difficulty making any repairs on these slopes. It's currently 12:15 p.m. Just for an accurate gauge, it is currently 54 degrees out and partly cloudy. getting very difficult to break this seal. Without creating damage to the shingle. So you can see here, you have the damage to the shingle beneath, material transfer, and then as you can see, this nail, I don't even know if it's sitting in anything. That's how easy it came out. So we're gonna go, this one's not even sealed. This one is. Same thing here. You see we have transfer here missing from this shingle, creating damage right here. That one came off a little better, but we're still damaging shingles. And then that nail. But you can see what's happening to these shingles when we're trying to remove, or at least just get them separated. So I'm going to continue on, take these nails out. Okay, so as you can see, this back slope shingle is ran up underneath here. So I'm going to take this off. It does not look like they ran the felt over as they should per code. This wood's cracked here and broken. Not a nailable surface. All right, there's one shingle. tab. You can't even get it separated without causing damage. Okay, so you see that. You see this damage underneath here. We're going to cut this one short so we don't have to take too much more roof off and disturb it much more. Just going to run my hook blade down here and cut it off at 4 tabs. Same here, damage. That one isn't so bad there. This one has damage as well. There's 2 courses of shingles. Do the same thing here. Take it down one more. All right, so here's our existing decking conditions. And as you can see, we have 3/8 of an inch for a gap in this decking. Same here, 3/8 of an inch gap in the decking. Bobby, you want to get a picture of this, please? From straight over top. All right, so these are just 2 deck boards. This house is built in the 50s, so it's safe to assume all of this roof on the old structure has this exact same decking. Some gaps are going to be bigger, some gaps may be smaller, but code requires that if there is a gap greater than 1/4 inch, that we go over top of it with OSB. That being said, per code, it makes no sense to try and do anything else, but to do it properly, you'd have to remove the roof, install the decking, and then install a new roof. Other code concerns are compatibility of the old discontinued slate line shingles and the Hatteras over on the new section versus the newer shingles that obviously the manufacturer does not recommend be mixed. Another code issue that we should be adhering to. I'm going to go ahead and put this back together. In the meantime, we're going to go over to the new section and just take some shingles out and perform the same test to see if we have felt going over the peak. This side we do not, but instead we have these large gaps in the decking to be concerned with. And obviously the reason they are concerned with them is because if nails are driven into this area, they're not going to be fastened, and then the shingle will fail and the roof system will fail. Thank you very much. That's it for this video.